to pull out this car. And my colleague Shikha Salaria is live with us from the spot in Greater Noida. Shikha, if you can hear me, what exactly is the situation looking like? Why has it taken 3 days to pull out this car?
Yes, exactly. This is a national tragedy which is unfolded right next to the national capital of Delhi in Noida here. And I would like to tell you about the location to make you understand why exactly it has taken so but unfortunately wasn't able to make it still, despite being able to reach out to his father for help. So I would like my cameraman to show you about the and show you the location. You can see that there are barricades that have been put up here, but none of this existed on the night of Saturday, which was a cold wintry night. And what happened was that the techie was driving from here, from the office or his office in Gurgaon, and since it was extremely dark and he was unable to see, and there were absolutely no reflectors here, the techie's car simply drove from here. And here, if you can see, there's a particular area where the embankment has been damaged. So the car simply manages to break this embankment and enter into this pit, simply plunged into the pit. And the pit, because of being so deep, we are getting to know that it was 70 feet deep, and there was absolutely no chance that anybody could have survived. But still, the techie, credit to his bravery, he managed to stand on the top of the car and dial his father's contact number and ask for help, and ask that, "Papa, I need help, I am stuck here." But what we are getting to know is because of the negligence of the authorities, and because there were not proper arrangement and there was not enough proper equipment to save the techie,